all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have an October 2019 Grandma in a Box. And if you don't know what this is, I'm going to tell you. First, I want to say thank you so much for being here. Also, make sure to check out down below in the description for any active giveaways we have going on. There's usually quite a few. So, Grandma in a Box is a monthly subscription. It is $20 a month. You can get your first month for $10. You don't need a coupon or anything like that. It's just your first month is $10. And like I said, after that, it's $20. And you receive fun, it's an assortment of cookies and different things to make little treats for the month. And she does always, Grandma Terry, she does always kind of go with a theme for the month. Like August was back to school. You know, there's just been, it coordinates with whatever may be going on that month. So obviously we know that this month is gonna kind of be a Halloween theme, right? Not even into the box yet. So, one thing I do like too is it always, you have enough to make, goodness, quite a few. I can't remember the exact number, but at least, I don't know, 5, 6 or more of the individual treats. But anyway, so October 2019 Halloween theme treats. Here we have that. Welcome to the October Grandma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects with Halloween in mind, including witches hats, monster bites, and Halloween cookies with frosting and sprinkles. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Grandma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. I'm working on a fall theme for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is November 3rd. Because that's when the next box starts to ship. So make sure if this is something you're interested in, sign up before November 3rd and you will get that fall November box. But what I really like is she always includes on the back side of that, the list of everything that is included in your box. And I love that she includes literally everything you need, down to the wax paper that you would put on your counter to keep your counter from getting messy and sticky. I mean, you may need like to use your microwave in a bowl or something, but generally everything you need in here for these different little yummy treats and crafts, she has included for you. It's always measured and in cute little cups, so it doesn't make a mess. It's amazing. But I'm not gonna go over everything because I kind of want to get to it as we get to the different recipes. But like here, I will say it says what you will need from home: scissors, a microwave, a small microwave safe bowl, toothpicks, it says optional, a knife, a fork, a spoon, paper plate or bowl. So it's definitely things that most people are going to have at home. So, and then we have our 3 different projects. So, it literally tells you step by step by step what you're going to do for each project. So what I'm just gonna do is tell you guys what the projects are, and then I will show you all of the ingredients. So the first project are spooky witches hats. Right here. Now, another thing that I like here on the back goes over the ingredients, and even breaks down, because I can see here that apparently Oreos are going to be part of this recipe, breaks down the ingredients for the Oreos so you know everything that you're getting with these treats. So we have spooky witches hats. We have crispy monster bites. And then we have Halloween cookies. So this is what it looks like actually when you start to get to like the goods. All right. So here is everything in the box. So as I mentioned, some Oreos, and we have 4 Oreos. So we'll be able to make 4 of the witch's hats. 4 Hershey Kisses. Obviously, I can put 2 and 2 together. These go with the witch's hats. So we have those, and then we just have like, here we have some purple sugary crystal type sprinkles. We have some orange of the sugary crystal sprinkles. We have, yeah, I see some black ones. Actually, where is the back of that? Here. So we had the 4 Oreo cookies, the 4 Hershey Kisses. There are 6 paper cups. So like that. We have candy eyes and bones right here. There's an eyeball right there and a bone. We have some gummy worms. These look like the kind of like sweet and soury ones. We have Halloween sprinkles. We have a package of melting chocolate right here. Sanding sugar is what I'm assuming these 3 different things right here are. Like I said, we have orange, black, and purple. We have some Cocoa Krispies. That'll probably come into play in that crunchy treat. And then we have 3 different tubes of icing. And this is homemade buttercream icing that she makes. So we have a white, purple, and orange. And I love that it's all tied up and ready to go. She literally has it to where all you do is clip it or snip off that in there and you're good to go. And then we have some cookies. We have 8 assorted cookies, and I can see there we obviously have some bat cookies, some witch's hats. So it looks like we have 2 witch hat, 2 bat. Obviously, we're gonna have 2 pumpkin shaped cookies, and maybe monster cookies here, like crazy hair, or wait, or is it ghost? Do I have it backwards? Ghost. I'm thinking ghost. So that is everything that is in the October 2019 Grandma in a Box. So you can definitely see how fun it would be to create these different treats, and everything you need is here and ready to go and literally portioned out. There's no questions. You have step-by-step instructions. So I just think it is so fun, and I think it's cute. You know what I mean? It's just such a fun and cute subscription, and it's a fun way to get you into the kitchen because you don't have to bake the cookies. They're already baked. You don't have to cut them out, roll them out, none of that. They're cooked, baked, ready to go. You know, and when you're using stuff like Oreos and the the Cocoa Krispies, the hardest part of it, if any of this, is probably going to be melting the chocolate, and then you're probably going to be dipping into something. And obviously, there's no right or wrong way to do these treats. So if you want to take part of a cookie and dip it into your melted chocolate, you can do that. If you want to just put a little bit of icing around the edge, you can do that. If you want to put icing all over it and cover it with sprinkles, you can do that. It is completely up to you, but she gives you the products that you need and the amount that you need to do the crafts. And again, I think the crafts are so cute and fun, and it takes the guesswork out of having a fun little baking craft day. So I really enjoy it. Like I said, I will put a link down below. You can sign up, and your first box, again, is only $10. You don't have to have a coupon or anything like that. And then from there on, it would be $20 a month. So I enjoy it every month. I think it's so cute. So let me know your thoughts down below. Again, don't forget about those giveaways. They will be in the description box. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.